Hello and welcome back. Today we'll learn how to make this swipe animation in Canva. Here you are on the Canva website. Click on YouTube videos. Click on Elements. Search for Circle and choose it. Adjust it to the center of the page. Go to Uploads. Bring the images. Adjust their sizes. As we have 4 images, we will adjust them on their opposite sides. Click on the circle. Change its color to white. Then go to these 3 dots and select the transparency to 0. Select them all and make their group, so you can move them easily at a time. Now download this image as PNG. Come to the text section and choose the first one. Type its name. Change the color to white. Background color to gray. Duplicate the text. Move it to the right side and type the name of the tower that is on the left side. Remove the elements. Group all texts. Download it as PNG. After that, click on Uploads, then Upload Files. Double-click on the selected file. Now you have that file in your uploads. Now delete the page. Select the image. Resize it. Select the texted image. Resize it also. Duplicate the page. Click on Position. Select the image. Rotate it to left side. Now, rotate the text to the right side. Change the background color. Do the same procedure for the other 2 images. Now hover the cursor between two pages. Click on the Add Transition button. Select the match and move. Increase the duration. Click on Apply on all pages. Here is the final look.